Hello. Today we are going to cover the installation steps for the YR140 and YR280 under-counter ice machines. Let's dive in. To begin with, you will need to make sure that a certified plumber has installed a water filter and the location where the unit will be set up has an 120-volt power outlet and an open-air floor drain. The ice machine drain will need to be uphill from the floor drain so that the water the ice machine drains out will flow downhill to the drain. Do not install the drain line uphill, this will cause standing water in the bottom of the ice bin. Let's get started. Begin by connecting the provided drain hose to the drain port on the back of the ice maker. Push the rubber end of the hose over the hose barb and secure it with the included zip ties. Then place the other end of the drain hose into your open-air drain. Next, you will need to connect the water line to the ice machine. The water inlet on the ice machine is a push-to-connect fitting. To connect the water line to the machine, just push the water line into the push-to-connect fitting, then secure it with the blue retaining clip. Lastly, you will need to plug it in. Now we're going to cover the initial startup and adjusting the ice thickness and drain time on the ice maker. Begin by removing the top cover of the ice maker. Remove the top two screws on the back of the ice maker, then slide the top cover to the rear and lift. Once the top cover of the ice maker is off, go ahead and power on the ice maker. Wait for the ice maker to drop a batch of ice. Then pick up the ice out of the bin and look at the width of the ice between the cubes. This is called bridge thickness. You are looking for around 1/8 of an inch in thickness. This will ensure that when the ice drops, the cubes break apart easily. This batch is closer to 1/4 inch in bridge thickness, so we will need to adjust our harvest probe up to thin out the ice bridge. The probes on the ice maker are on the right side of the ice plate. The probe we need to adjust is the harvest probe. This probe is characterized by having a red wire going to the top of it. To adjust the probe, we will need to either raise or lower it. Raising the probe will make the bridge of ice between the cubes thinner. Lowering the probe will make the bridge of ice between the cubes thicker. To adjust the probe, begin by loosening the top plastic nut on the probe. Then you can turn the lower plastic nut on the probe to either raise or lower it. Clockwise will raise the probe and counterclockwise will lower the probe. In this case, we need to raise the probe. When you are done adjusting, remember to retighten the top nut so that the probe stays in place. Allow the ice maker to make another batch of ice. Pick up a section of the ice and verify that the bridge thickness is where you want it and that the ice breaks apart easily. This may take a few adjustments before you get it correct. At the beginning of the harvest cycle, you will need to pay attention to the water trough. Before the water pump turns off, the ice maker will open the drain valve and drain out all of the water in the water trough. Make sure the ice maker is draining from long enough to get all of the water it can get out. You will know if it is draining for long enough by listening to the ice maker. If the ice maker makes a chugging or slurping noise during the drain time before harvest, then it is draining for long enough. If it does not, then it hasn't drained enough of the water out of the trough. The ice maker drains the water out of the trough and refills with fresh, clean water every batch of ice. This is to prevent cloudy ice and to help keep the ice machine clean. To adjust the drain time on the ice maker, you will need to access the control board. To do this, remove the two screws that hold the bottom blue vent cover in place, then remove the vent cover. Behind the vent cover, you will find a metal box with two screws in it. This is the box that contains the control board. Caution: this part of the ice maker contains high voltage electricity. Be careful. Remove the two screws that hold the cover of the box in place, then remove the box cover. We now have access to the control board. At the top of the control board there is a small blue box called a potentiometer. In the center of the blue box you will find a screw. Use a small screwdriver to adjust the screw in the blue box. 1/8 of a turn clockwise will add around 10 seconds to the drain time. And counterclockwise will remove 10 seconds. Adjust this, then allow the unit to make another batch of ice. Watch the drain down that happens before the harvest and verify the ice maker drains all the water out of the trough. Once you get the ice maker to drain all of the water out of the trough before harvest, you are done with installing the ice maker and can put the panels back on it. Thank you for watching this training video.